It's taken an hour to shape the blade's airfoil. The dovetail, that nub on the right, is next. But first, this measuring machine inspects the airfoil. If any measurement is off by just half the thickness of a human hair, the blade doesn't make the cut. This casting machine will encase the airfoil in a matrix, a coating that protects the airfoil during work on the dovetail. They mold the matrix from liquid tin and bismuth. It solidifies into a metal cast around the airfoil. The future dovetail sticks out at the end. They load the cast into what's called a broach machine, with a series of teeth that carve the dovetail to its final shape. Now the cast can come off. A worker loads it onto the removal machine. A hydraulic cylinder hits the cast at its weakest point, breaking it in half. The finished airfoil emerges unscathed. A dot matrix machine punches identification numbers onto the blade. They submerge the blades in fluid that penetrates any flaws in the metal. This inspection is critical because even the tiniest nick can spell disaster when a jet's engines work at full speed. Examine the blades under a black light. This blade is perfect, but spots of fluorescence on this one indicate microscopic cracks and weaknesses. This one gets rejected. The dovetail gets 2 strips of rubber silicone that ensure an airtight seal when the dovetail slides into its slot on the compressor drum.